on, man. Hey, cut me off camera.
What are you talking about, bro? Yo,
hey, yo, cut me off camera.
What are you doing, bro?
I'm about to smack.
Bro, you gotta chill. Bro, you gotta just chill. Bro, just chill, bro.
Hey, look.
Bro, we not cutting the camera off, bro. Just, you know, bro, just relax, bro.
I'll see you outside.
Bro, you gonna see? Hello, Steezy. Gang, what's good with y'all boys, man? It's your main man, SteazyGoCrazy, man. We back with another one. I ain't gonna hold y'all boys. We back with another crazy banger video. You already know me. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming with something, you know what I'm saying? A little crazy. All right, so what we got going on today? I'll be sneezing on these strangers, bro. Yo, if you boys ready for this video, don't forget to leave a like, sub up, man. You know what I mean? I'm trying to go crazy. Hit that like button. We on the road to 200K, all right? Let's do that. We got like a mom and a dollar. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I'm about to troll their, bro. I'm about to, you know, so y'all boys know how we get around here, bro. Y'all boys wish me luck, bro. Hit that like button, cause you know I'm doing this for y'all, bro. Let's get it. Y'all need help getting that?
Oh yeah, you're tall enough.
I'm saying, yeah.
Did you just sneeze?
Nah.
You did. That shit got like all over me.
I'm just saying. I'm just.
Whoa, did you?
No, I'm just.
Oh my gosh. Andy, you recording me?
Who?
Yo, what's up?
I don't know who that is.
You recording me? Bro.
Yo, relax. Yo, you gotta chill, bro.
And
Chill.
you too, cause you
Oh, you gotta chill, bro. It's a prank, bro. Yo, you gotta chill, bro. No way, bro. Why is all this, bro? Yo, she tweaking, bro. Okay, we better lock in.
What the fuck?
What?
You just sneezed on me.
No, I did not.
Yes, the fuck.
No, I covered my mouth.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I covered my mouth. I covered my mouth.
No, you did not.
Man, why you acting like that for?
Get away from me.
This shit. I'm just saying.
Sneeze on me one more time, it's gonna be a whole problem.
What you mean?
It's gonna be a whole problem.
You say it's gonna be a problem?
It's gonna be a whole problem.
It's gonna be a problem?
A whole problem.
What's gonna happen?
Don't worry about it. You need me going here.
What's gonna happen?
You need me going here.
What you got in there?
Don't worry about it. Sneeze on me.
What you got in your bag?
Sneeze on me again.
What you got in your bag? What you got in your bag?
Don't worry about it.
What you got in your bag?
You gonna see you sneeze on me again.
What if I told?
Your spit is lethal.
What if I told you on YouTube right now?
Oh, you better be glad we on YouTube, because your ass is about to get cussed.
Nah, you wildin'. Yo, check.
That is funny.
Yo, check. Nah, she wildin', bro. We out, bro. Like, why she was about to, what was in her bag, bro? Like, she act like she about to take me out the earth or some shit, gang. Like, bro, it's just water, bro. It's just water, bro. I'm really just out here cooling, bro. Nah, cuz. Nah, bro, it look like some dude just came from the shipyard or something, bro. I know for a fact, like, he was working. So, I understand, bro, you know the people that be just getting off of work, bro, and get pranked, bro, they be the most heated, bro. Yo, do not try this at home, bro.
Damn, bro.
What you mean?
You all right, man?
Yeah, I'm just looking at the mattresses, bro. You straight?
No, I'm saying you sneeze all over the motherfucking place, bro.
No, I'm just saying. I'm just trying to look at the.
Say excuse me or something.
I'm just looking. Why would I say excuse me to you? If I cover my mouth though.
Bro, I don't know that. All I know is you sneeze behind me.
But listen, I'm letting you know that I cover my.
What is this, bro?
I don't know who that is.
Oh man, hey, cut me off camera.
What are you talking about, bro? Yo,
cut me off camera.
What are you doing, bro?
I'm about to smack this shit.
Bro, you gotta chill. Bro, just chill. Bro.
Hey, look.
Bro, we not cutting the camera off, bro. Just, you know, bro, just relax, bro.
I'll see you outside.
Bro, you gonna see me outside? And what's gonna happen outside? What's gonna happen outside? What's gonna happen outside?
You gonna find out when you come out there.
I'm not going outside. Oh my fucking. Oh, he said I'm gonna see him outside. Oh, shit, bro. Shit, bro. We got this lady in the aisle and whatnot, bro. I'm finna get her ass. I ain't even gonna hold you. You like the sharp ones or the like that digital?
I like this one here.
Oh, you like the manual alarm clocks or whatnot?
Yeah,
I know
pretty.
it's wild work.
I
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. I
So
can't.
nice.
I can't even like read this one. I don't even know what time it is right there.
Oh, yeah, like digital.
Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute. Hold on there. Hey,
What?
Did
What?
you put your hand on your mouth?
What you mean?
What you sneezing all on me?
I did
With
it.
cold out here.
I cover my mouth.
No. Don't be sneezing all over me. What's up with you?
What you mean?
What's up with that?
Bro, I'm just trying
Did
to.
you say excuse me?
I'm
or
just-
put
I'm
your
just-
hand over your mouth?
Listen, I'm just trying to get the alarm clocks, and you tweaking right now.
No.
I did
don't
not
need
sneeze.
all
On,
that.
listen, I did not sneeze on you.
I just got over a virus. No.
I just chill. You know.
Oh no.
What?
No,
What?
you need a mask on, baby.
What you mean?
You need a mask on.
For what?
Cover your germs. I don't need your germ all over the store.
Listen, you tweaking, lady. I ain't even gonna hold you.
No. You tweaking, dude.
I want to get
Where
back
you
to
come from
get back
anyway?
get back to what you doing.
All over me and everything. What's up with
I want
that?
to get back to what you doing there.
Well, look at here. You need
All
to cover your
right,
mouth up,
relax.
please. Cover your mouth up.
All right, I will. I'm gonna come on.
Please. Don't stand over top of me. You know I'm short and everything.
All right, my bad.
Then you all talk.
All right, my bad.
Yeah, get that together. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute. Hold on.
Oh, bro, we got this dude in a red jacket, bro. I ain't gonna, bro. I'm about to troll his ass, bro. I'm about to troll his ass, bro. Nah, I bang with the non-stick pans, bro.
Yeah, man. Saves a lot of time and cleaning and cooking and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
I swear to God, it do, bro.
Too expensive though, man.
What you doing, man? What are you doing, bro?
Man,
Get your hands off me, bro. What are you doing, bro? This is a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro.
Man, I'm too old for this
Bro.
shit. I'm out here, man.
Bro, you tweaking, bro. Bro, what's wrong with this guy, bro? Yo, bro. It was not that bad. Yo, Chad, you cannot tell me it was that bad, bro. Say what's up to the vid, bro. Hey, bro, shout yourself out, bro.
What's up, bro? I'm Anthony.
Bro, you Anthony, bro. Hey, bro, you in the next vid, bro. You in the next vid.
How you doing? How y'all doing?
What's good?
Nice to meet y'all.
Hey, shout yourself out, bro. Shout yourself out,
What's
bro.
up? Hey, Vic.
Hey, Vic, bro.
777.
Hey. Y'all boys in the next vid, bro. That's
What's
it.
up? How y'all doing, gang? Y'all have a day today, gang.
That's it. Hey, bro. Gotta let us support this, bro. Huh?
Please on me again.
I ain't gonna lie. So if you look down the way you on YouTube, it was water though. It was water.
It was water. No.
It was water. I ain't.
Oh, it was water?
Yeah, it was water.
Oh, don't be playing there.
I
Don't
just.
be playing because you about to get bust down up in here.
You okay with being on YouTube? All right, yeah. It was just water. I ain't even hold you.
Yeah, don't be playing there. Don't be playing. Don't be playing. Get yourself hurt.
All right, yeah, that's it. My bad. That's it. Yo, check, bro.
Yeah. Take that somewhere else.
All right, yo.
Stop playing.
Hey, my bad. That's it.
Stop playing.
Like, what you put in the comments, like, what, you know what I'm saying, bro, which one did? You know what I'm saying, I love you too, you know what I'm saying, what's up, my baby, like I'm really, you know what I'm saying, like, matter of fact, bro, if you a shorty down below, put down your Cash App, bro, it's Valentine's Day, bro. I'm a Cash App one lucky lady. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be a woman though. I don't want to see you change your profile picture after. You know what I'm saying? After, you know what I'm saying? One lucky lady though. Don't change your profile because that's no Diddy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like no Diddy, bro. But, I don't know, bro. But we just out here, we grinding and shit, bro. I gotta find somebody else to prank though, bro. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna do the sneezing or if I'm misgendering somebody, cause you know they both go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, we all one lucky lady, bro. Bro, lock in. You know what I'm saying? Lock in,
like, that's your girl. Fuck that, shawty a baddie, so I had to cut that. Like a bit over and bust back. I'm never lacking, I'm ready to bust that.